How y'all doing this old numb nuts again? That's right, no, Kim. So I got to tell you folks something. When you know that you had the running squirts, that's what I call them. You can't hold it back. You know what I mean? You just all died the wheel. Uh, make sure that you do not sneeze, cause the outcome is not good. No, it's not. I I had the one in the diarrhea, and 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 I had to sneeze. It was not a good outcome. No, it was not. So make sure if you got to sneeze, you don't you don't do it. Not unless you next to the toilet. Yeah, 'cause it's bad things happen. I think I both out the O-wing. But anyway, just like I said, just make sure you go to the toilet or just don't sneeze. One or two, 'cause bad things could happen there. But anyway, y'all be good. Woo, drugging you up.